My people, good afternoon. Depends on the time when you take the watch this our video. So we dey Ulemo community for Iyekogba. When you pass through airport road Iyekogba, so now that area we dey so come out this come out this 420 watts. 420 watts. Sorry, 420 watts. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now we want the roof now. So when we see the inverter and the battery, but this one is a lithium battery. Now we bring on here so 5 kilowatts hour. So come inside, come see how. When we see how the installation is going. So this is a E-way. Now 8.2 kVA inverter. Now be this batteryless inverter. So this one are the lithium ion battery. We have 5 kilowatts hour. So now it day here. But with time, we fit on the add joiner. So if we can also add another 5 joiner, we can make them 10. In fact, this E-way can take up to about 30 kilowatts hour. So we can even add 4 like 4 pieces or 6 pieces battery to enhance the. So that be this. God bless you. Follow our YouTube and Facebook. You will see us there.